Can't get a replacement seal for your trusty general-purpose steam turbine? Hundreds of steam turbines still provide dependable service for oil refineries, petrochemical, and other industrial plants across the world. After 50 years or more of operation, steam leaks and reliability issues can be solved by fitting a new seal. No need to give up if the original manufacturers no longer exist or the brand has been absorbed into multinational conglomerates. This 50-year-old refinery in Antwerp called in AESSEAL to give their highly valued turbine a new lease of life when the equipment manufacturer did not respond. AESSEAL's STS is a readily available drop-in replacement cartridge that replaces the worn-out seal gland and the carbon rings, extending life, stopping steam leaks, and improving performance. Nobody likes the thought of being written off just because they are too old. Bring your machine into the 21st century. Call AES Seal.